Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Rachel. Today I'm going to be talking about my hair. I get my hair done in two places. In Rush Chiswick, I get my hair done by the lovely Aaliyah. Shout out Aaliyah. And then also in Windle and Moody, Covent Garden, I get my hair done by the lovely Lauren. I basically go in between the two salons, just depending on who's available at the time I need my hair done. I actually just got my hair done the other day. What I get done to my hair is half head highlights. I did have balayage before, but that did damage my hair quite a lot. My hair is an ash blonde colour. I bleach my roots and then dye and tone so that I get the same colour all over. Underneath is my original colour. And about my haircut, I don't really often get my hair cut, but when I do, I get Aaliyah to cut. She just gives me a couple of long layers and she trims my fringe for me. I get my hair cut maybe like once a year or even longer than that. I tried to film the other day of Lauren doing my hair. I didn't want to capture her on camera just in case she didn't want to be in it. So yeah, she just did it. This is my hair. Now I'm going to insert the clips for you to see. This is what my hair looked like before I just had it done. As you can see, my roots are about like 3 inches grown out and my hair is quite dry and it definitely needs to be done. Here is Lauren doing my half head highlights. It's definitely a long process, especially the way Lauren does it, because a lot of layers and technique going into my highlights, and it takes a few hours. And then after my foils, I will sit under heat for about like 20 minutes and then I will be taken downstairs where someone will wash my hair and take all the foils out. And I love this bit because they give you such a good head massage. Shampoo and conditioner that they use also smell so good. And after washing, Lauren will also tone my hair. I'll be sitting around, drinking around 6 cups of tea with oat milk, of course. And oh my god, I eat too many biscuits, but that's my business. Here now, they're just blown drying my hair. Then this is what it's like when it's dried. As you can see, I have no more roots and I've got a nice ashy tone. They'll ask you how you want them to style your hair afterwards, but I didn't get anything done this time round. But this is an old clip of where Lauren did my hair years ago and where I was more blonde. But this lovely lady, I can't remember her name, but she was amazing at curling my hair, as you can see. Like, I've never had anyone curl my hair like this. It was honestly amazing. She's so sweet, and I was actually quite sad when I didn't see her this time round. But I hope to see her soon. I'm also going to show you what Aaliyah has done to my hair. This was last year and I decided to go a bit more brown for winter. Aaliyah did this really nice brown ashy but still kind of light tones to my hair, and it was just so refreshing to just switch up from being blonde all the time. Before I went brown, Aaliyah did ash blonde on me about 2 times I think, and this is what it looked like before I went brown. Hair. I like the way Aaliyah and Lauren do my hair, and it's actually quite difficult because I have Asian hair and it's much harder to dye on and to maintain. These are the products I use. Because of these products, I actually don't need to do much and it's not difficult to maintain this ash tone. I've been using Fanola way before they sent me products. My best friend Shannon actually introduced me to Fanola way back, and basically we went on holiday together to Mallorca and my hair just went yellow, and I was so pissed because I had had my hair done not that long before, so that money just went down the drain. But it didn't actually, because when we got home and she gave me some Fanola No Yellow shampoo, she told me to just put on gloves and massage the No Yellow shampoo in my hair, and after one wash my hair just went ash again. When they reached out to me, I was literally over the moon. I was like, what the fuck? Like, it's so good. Like, honestly, it's so good. So what I have here is the shampoo. It has a pH 5 and it's free of sulfates, silicone and parabens, and it's 100% vegan. Crazy good. And so yeah, No Yellow shampoo, it obviously just basically means it's gonna take away the yellow tone. So I use this like every other wash, if that makes sense. Put a little bit into my hand with another shampoo mixed so that it's not like too strong, and I just rub it together really quickly in my hands because it does apparently stay in your hand. I haven't had any problems with it staying in my hand, but I do rinse my hands very quickly after. And this is not conditioner, it's a mask. I've been actually using this a little bit like conditioner. I don't really use this that often, so I just mainly use this, and then I'll just use any conditioner after. Tresemme Heat Protecting Spray. I spray this on my damp hair after I've towel dried it. It's going to protect my hair from the heat. When I brush my hair, it is so easy to brush. I've noticed the difference, like when I don't use this and I try brush my hair after I washed it, it's just a bit tangly. It does say it prevents hair from becoming brittle and dull, reduces breakage by up to 82% with continued use, and I always use this before blow drying my hair. I like to blow dry my hair upside down. It gives me some volume, and the hair dryer that I'm using is just a simple Babyliss hair dryer. After my hair's dried, I will then apply some oil. I like to use this Orotherapy 24K oil. Put a little bit in the palm of my hands, do this, and then I start like running it through my fringe and on my ends and stuff. Sometimes I have like a lot of baby hairs and frizz at the top, and I'll just lightly, not pat it down like that, but try and pat like the bits that are sticking up really lightly downwards. Also smells like marshmallow. It says regenerating fluid for sensitized and stressed hair with diamonds, microactive gold and sun filter. Shine, silkiness and luxury. But this also came with the Fanola package, so thank you Fanola, like you've saved my life. That's all the products I use. I don't really like using too many products. I have wasted a lot of money on hair products before, so that's probably why too. Hope you liked this video, hope it helped you. Go visit Lauren or Aaliyah. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Comment below if you have any questions. Make sure you subscribe. See you soon. Mwah. Thanks for watching.